Introducing the HuddleCamHD 3rd generation serial joystick controller. This PTZ camera joystick controller supports most PTZ cameras with a serial connection, allowing for convenient daisy chaining of camera control cabling. This joystick controller now supports 6 quick button hotkeys for camera switching between PTZ cameras, along with an intuitive joystick controller. Easily color match cameras and adjust important PTZ camera features by remotely using the new OSD menu button. Call PTZ camera presets and operate cameras with ease. You can lock the focus, tune the shutter speed, and so much more. Learn more at HuddleCamHD.com.